Yeah, I mean, there's a lot packed into that question. I mean, what I've been trying to do is to move us toward a safe supply in the city, and I think we've had some success there. In fact, I did have a call with the federal health minister last week to talk about how we could make safe supply a more permanent tool in our toolbox, which I think is going to make is making a difference and will make a big difference, especially if we can get provincial regulatory changes at the same time. So I think that is the best answer at this point. However, I do think, as I've called for in this review, is for the province to review policing approaches to those people who use drugs. And so I do think, again, for changes in one municipality can be symbolic in some senses. It needs to happen in all municipalities. There has to be a uniform approach to policing that happens in all municipalities. So that's why safe supply, the measures that have been undertaken by the feds in the province are really great, because they apply to every municipality and everybody in the province rather than a small geographic subset. So for me, I'm always open to new ideas, and then look forward to working with the Premier and the provincial government if they agree to do this review to talk about all these issues. For me, this is the biggest crisis we're facing, and it seems to be forgotten often, and that's why I, for example, had a press conference with Dr. Patty Daly 2 weeks ago specifically to highlight this. We're doing what we can here at the city with investing in what we can do for harm reduction, trying to push ahead the senior levels of government with some success. We are bound by the laws that define what municipalities, provinces, and the federal government can do. So the best I can do is to work with these levels of government, and I think we've been having some very good success, and I'm hopeful that we'll have more movement on this from the federal and provincial governments in terms of the overdose crisis.